So guys, I was asked to put up some quick and easy recipes, so I'm going to be using some home appliances here, and I can't wait to show one of them off. So we're going to be making a rotisserie chicken with coconut rice and pigeon peas. So I'm going to try this Weber Jamaican jerk because I've seen few people that I'm subscribed to try this, and I figure since we are going to do something quick and easy, I'm going to give this a try. So I have here my whole chicken, and this is roughly about 4 pounds, and I'm just gonna coat the entire outside and inside of this entire chicken with it, and I'm just gonna rub it all in. I'm just gonna do this as a dry rub. Just really coat it really well. So I'm going to just begin by the center of the chicken and just press those prongs into the top part here, and it goes into the breast. And I'm going to just bring this roughly close to the edge and tighten it. So we got our chicken onto the rotisserie rack. I'm going to tuck the wings behind themselves. So I'll show you again. Tuck the wing behind itself, so that way the wings aren't flopping about. I'm going to shake a little bit more seasoning on those bare places. So guys, this is my air fryer oven that I got for my birthday from Moomade. Thank you so much. And it's made by Chef Wave, and it does so many different things. It's supposed to be a dehydrator, a rotisserie, a baker, air fryer. So we're gonna give this a go. So I'm gonna open it up, and I'm gonna just put my rotisserie chicken in. And also there's this pan that I have on the bottom to catch all the trip juice. So I lay the other one on the hook. Okay, and let me just wipe that out to see a little bit of. So I'm going to hit the on button, and then I'm going to hit the menu, and I'm just going to go all the way down to the chicken, and I'm going to hit the rotisserie button, and I'm going to take it to, I'm going to try it for about 50 minutes, and then hit the on button. So I'm going to let this go for a while. We'll see how it does, and I'll let you guys know how it goes. Okay, look at this. It's actually spinning the chicken. I should have trusted the chicken, but I don't have any kitchen tie, but that's okay. We'll see how it goes. So it has 1 minute left, and I just want to show you guys it did a good job of cooking. I did give it an additional 22 minutes. The reason why I should have trusted or took some kitchen twine and tie the bottom of the drumsticks together, because one of the legs, you see the skin came blistering off because they kind of rubbed on the bottom. So here it is, moment of truth. Beautiful, isn't it? I got my thermometer here, my meat thermometer. I'm pressing it into the thickest part, which is at the breast, all the way down to the. Oh yeah, this is done. Okay, so it came with this little rotisserie hook tool, so I'm gonna just take this out and let's see how well this tool works. So it goes here into these little hooks, and I'm going to just lift it and pull it out. Oh wow, it's really juicy. This juice is getting everywhere. And looks amazing. I'm going to just take the temp one more time just to be extra sure. So I'm going to go down here into the thickest part, into the bone. Okay, it's done. Okay, so I'm gonna let the chicken rest a bit, and I'm not gonna mess with the rotisserie hook here. So I'm just gonna cover it with some foil to kind of tint it, and I'm gonna put this in the oven to allow it to rest, and we're gonna make the rice. So I'm using the GeekChef electric pressure cooker for those who may ask, and I'm gonna begin by putting my coconut oil on the bottom of my GeekChef, and I'm using non-hydrogenated coconut oils when I'm using. I have an onion that I diced, and I'm going to add that onion to the oil. Stir. And then I have here what's called gandu, or green pigeon peas. So this is Goya gandu. Usually, typically it's used in Puerto Rican cuisine, arroz con gandu, which is rice and pigeon peas, but we're doing it the coconut way. So I'm going to add my gandu, and I'm using half a cup. You can take your leftover gandu and you can freeze it in a Ziploc bag. It'll last up to 3 months in the freezer. So I'm going to just saute the onions and the peas together for about 2 minutes. So it's been a couple of minutes. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my rice, and it's pre-cleaned, and it's going to stir that in. I'm going to add my chicken stock. When my chicken stock was hot, it just helps the pressure cooker come to a pressure quicker. I just nuked it in the microwave. And then I'm going to add my coconut milk. Get a stir. I'll use a couple of small bay leaves, or one large one. So I have a couple of small bay leaves here. I'm going to put the lid on my pressure cooker. Close the pressure vents. Then I'm going to hit the cancel button on the GeekChef. I'm going to hit the rice button, and then I'm going to hit the time temp button, and then I'm going to take it down to 3 minutes. So let's go for 3 minutes, and then we're going to release the pressure. So the rice is done, and I just let all the pressure out, and I hit cancel on the front of the pressure cooker so it's not on the warm function. Okay, so our rice is done. I let all the pressure out, and let's see what it looks like. And I did hit the cancel button on the pressure cooker, so I'm just going to use my spoon to fluff the rice. And then I'm going to set the lid back on from the pressure cooker. Oh, also fish out those bay leaves. I'm going to put the lid back on the pressure cooker and just let it sit ajar, so that way the steam can finish releasing, and so when the moisture in the rice will dry up. So here's our rotisserie chicken and our coconut rice. Please add this video to your playlist, and also please subscribe to my channel and share this video. So I'm going to go ahead and cut into this chicken. And the chicken is extremely juicy, so I can't wait to dig in and taste this. Let's see if you guys can see this okay. So here it is. I got the rice and the chicken. I'm going to give everything a taste. It smells amazing. I can't wait to dig in. So I'm going to taste the rice first. And the texture of the rice is perfect, as this was cooked in the pressure cooker. It's not overcooked. Absolutely delicious, light coconut flavor, and the flavors from the chicken stock is amazing. And you'll be able to find that recipe for the chicken stock in the description box. I'm going to give the chicken a taste. Guys, it's really tender, it's juicy, the flavor is phenomenal. Guys, please share this recipe. Let me know if you try it. And if you tried any of my recipes and you're on Instagram, please post them on Instagram and tag me there. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. And please remember to live and be well, and let's come together as one.